Yeah. Hi guys. A very good morning, all of you. Hope all of you can hear me. Anyone, guys? Can you please confirm? Is I'm audible, guys?
Yes, you are audible.
Right, guys. Right. So, guys, like yesterday, we have started discussing about like how to install the Power BI. So, what what tool or what product you have to install? That is what we have discussed in the last session, guys. So your Power BI is available in multiple different types of products are there, like Power BI Desktop, Power BI Pro, Power BI Premium, Power BI Mobile, Power BI Embedded, Power BI Report Server. We have a different types of, which is going to be the tools that are available in Power BI. But mainly I told you guys, we are going to use two different types of tools. One is going to be what we can call it as Power BI Desktop, and the other one is going to be what we have been got call it as a Power BI, which is going to be the service what we are going to be using, guys. So what I told you guys, what are the difference between Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service? Power BI Desktop is a desktop application. We have to install it, guys. We have to install. Power BI Service, you need not to install it, guys. Why? Because it is a cloud based. So you need not to install anything. So it is available as a service. Directly we can connect to the service and you can directly access the Power BI, guys. So what is the difference? In Power BI Desktop, you can create your reports. But whenever you go for the Power BI service, we can create the reports, plus we can also manage your reports. Managing means like distribution, security, scheduling. Okay, all these things, whatever we can do as part of the Power BI service. How to connect to the Power BI service, guys? We have to go to app dot, which is going to be powerbi.com. You have to do like this, guys. Open your browser and type it app.powerbi.com. You are going to get the Power BI service homepage will come. Okay. Or else we can go to Power BI desktop. What you have to do, guys, it's a desktop application. We have to create. We have to install it. Here we can create the reports. But after creating, what we are going to do, guys, we are going to publish the reports here now. So two ways we can do, guys. Generally, what we are going to do, guys, we will create the Power BI reports in the Power BI desktop, and we are going to publish them into Power BI service. From there, we generally do the management. Generally, that is the way which we are going to do that. Create your reports in Power BI desktop application, but manage them. Once you publish them, you can see them in the Power BI service. And from there, you can do all the management, whatever you want to do, guys. That is, what is the main difference between the Power BI desktop and the Power BI service. So once again, I'll show you guys. This is going to be how to install it. I shown you. You can just go to the Power BI desktop to install it. So go to which is going to be powerbi.microsoft.com. Go to powerbi.microsoft.com. So there we can see the various products are there. So you can go to which is going to be products. Power BI, we can see Power BI Desktop, Power BI Pro, Premium, Embedded, Report Server, multiple options we have it, guys. So I'm going for desktop. So go to the desktop. So there we can download. Sorry, guys. For example, if you go to, for example, sir, if I click on the which is going to be Pro, what will happen? Very simple. It is going, but observe carefully, guys. There is no concept of installation here now. We have an option called as an which is going to be try for free, and we have to create an which is going to be Microsoft Fabric account. We have to create it. That we'll see that later. Already it is there in my system. You can see, guys. This is the one which we can see the application here now. This is the one what we can see, guys. So leave it, does not matters with that. So very simple. It is going to be there are different products are there. You can just work with all the different types of products. So products are there. Go to Power BI desktop. So this is a home page. See download or language options and go there, and just simply what you have to do, guys. You have to just download it, and we can see the update has been already done, guys. So it is the January update is already there. So we can see the January update. But yesterday we have seen whenever we updated it 2.124.1805.0. But in my system, it is still showing as a December. Maybe we have restarted the system. I restarted the system. Let us verify whether it is updated or not. So once it is downloaded and installed, guys, if anybody has visited yesterday's class, so it is just download and install it. Very simple process only. Next process we can do, guys. So go to Power BI desktop. On the desktop, you can see one desktop icon has been created. This is going to be the Power BI desktop, guys. Open the Power BI desktop. Just double click on that. Just double click on that, guys. So once if you see, it is going to opens, which is going to be the Power BI desktop is going to be opens like this, guys. This is your environment of your Power BI. Most of the reports and everything we are going to create from here only. So once let us verify, guys, help menu, and there we are having something called as an about. So if we can see, so the version is showing it as a 2.124.1805.0, but still it is showing it as a December update only, guys. So maybe we have downloaded, but we are not sure about that. It has been released. It has to show it as an the January update of 2024, but still it is showing as a December 2023. Let us leave it. Does not matter. It has to show. Let us leave. Let us verify that what is going to be. Yeah.
Vamsi, like
Yeah.
yesterday, I installed the same, like as you told, like even for me, like when I installed for the first time, so it is showing the same like December
Yeah,
2023.
yeah. Maybe see, it has been released, but it is not yet updated. Maybe
Okay.
it will be updated. Just we'll wait for another 1 or 2 days. We can update. We can just wait. Maybe it will be gets updated. Maybe.
Okay.
Okay, no worries. But version has been changed. 2.124.180.180.05.0. Even yesterday also, actually what will happen here is, yesterday when we have seen the update, you can go to YouTube, go to the YouTube there, and you can find out there is separate channel will be there. Specifically, the Microsoft is going to release the updates basically. So type which is going to be Power BI, which is going to be, I can say Power BI, which is going to be, if I said updates, still it is showing you 2023 updates only it is showing us. It is not showing the, which is going to be 2024 update is not yet it is showing you, but still it is going to be showing it as a 2000. You can see Microsoft Power BI. If you go there, you can see the update, whatever the update is there, it is showing the update only up to December 2023 only it is showing the update. See there, December, November, October, each and every month, which is going to be May, March, all these things, we can see the update. Currently, it is not showing. Maybe for the timing, leave it, does not matter with that. Later, we'll see them. Okay. Even if you want, we can subscribe to this channel. Why? Because we want to get the update from Power BI. Just subscribe there. You are going to get all the get updates. Whenever there is an update is there, you will get the update of 2024 January update will come. Okay. Fine. Sorry, guys. Yeah. So let's continue, guys. Okay, fine. Leave it. That does not matter. Our version is not a problem for us. So it is going to be showing this button. So as I told you, if you want to go to Power BI service, app.powerbi.com, if you click on that, it will go to the Power BI service, guys. It's a web-based. It is a web-based. Here also we can create a new reports. Here also we can create a new reports and we can do that. But mostly we do the administration here, guys. Whereas all the designing is going to be done as part of this application. See, guys, very simple environment. We don't have that many menu options. We don't have so many options are there to work with them. Very simple look and feel appearance only is there, guys. See there? A simple look and feel appearance is there. Very easy. See, very few options are there. Home ribbon. These are all what we call it as ribbons, guys. Home ribbon, insert ribbon, modeling, view, and optimize, and that is going to be help. These are all what we call it as ribbons. Okay. Next, on the left hand side, I'll explain them, guys. Don't worry. I'll tell you again what are the different components I'm telling about. Here, if you can observe carefully at the bottom, there are two types of views are there, guys. One is a desktop layout view, and other one is going to be mobile layout view. That means, are you creating the reports to watch in mobile or to watch in layout in the which is on the desktop? So if you want to, if let us say that if you want to optimize for mobiles, then what you can do is there is a mobile layout is going to be there. So just if you can see, there is a mobile like symbol is coming, and there you can design your reports for mobiles. So you know that it is going to be even the web pages also, guys. Generally, you know that, right? Whenever you open the web pages in your mobile, you can't see the web page properly. That's why what they will do is they will design the web pages for mobiles, mobile compatible, and which is going to be tablet compatible and a desktop compatible. So like that, we have a multiple pages will be there. Nowadays we got it. Earlier it is not like that, but now we got like that. So mobile layouts, tab related layouts, or it is going to be desktop related layouts. See there are two layouts are there. One is desktop. Whatever we see here, that is how it appears in a desktop, and how you can see that is going to be how it appears in a mobile. It is going to be there, guys. So mobile layout view, and which is going to be desktop layout view. Generally, we'll do mobile desktop layout view now. I'll show you guys how to create a mobile layout views. I'll show you in the later applications. Next, very easy, guys. This at the top you are having the ribbons. Very easily that you can remember, guys. Home ribbon is there, insert ribbon is there, modeling ribbon is there. We have a view and we have a optimize and the help. Help you can leave it mainly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 are important for us. Next, on the left hand side, can you see, guys, there are another 3 different views are there. I'll explain them. It is a report view, what we are going to call it as. See there. If I put a pointer, it is a report view. Then we have a table view will be there, guys. Click there. Your view is going to changes. Your view is changing. Right now, there are no tables are there. This is the view. And finally, we can see a model view. It is going to be nothing but these are the concepts, guys. So table view, sorry, report view, it is going to be a table view, and here it is going to be a model view. These are what we call it as the 3 different views what we can see. At the bottom, we are having a mobile layout view, and which is going to be desktop layout view. And on the right hand side, you can see 3 different panes. Very easy, guys. Ribbons, views, and panes. Here, this is going to be what we call it as the filters pane, the visualizations pane, and a data pane. I'll tell you what are the purpose of that. Slowly, we'll discuss about that. And the area where you are going to, draw the visuals, or where we are going to play place the visuals is this is the location, guys. This is a location where you are going to place your visuals. This is what we call it as canvas. So you know that no drawing canvas. Drawing canvas is nothing but the place where you can draw, where we can draw the pictures, or where the artist is going to draw the pictures. That location is nothing but what we call it as canvas. So this location is also nothing but it is going to be nothing but it's a canvas. But why it is not showing it as a canvas? Why? Because currently there is no data was there, guys. So clearly it is saying that add the data to your report. Once it is loaded, your data will appear in the data pane here, guys. This is data pane. Okay, this is visualizations pane, and this is going to be filters pane. I'll explain them. What is the purpose of them? You can just expand them. You can collapse them. Expand them, collapse them. See there. That's it, guys. Not that much navigation. In some environments, guys, there are too many options will be there. There are too many navigations will be there. So we cannot remember that many navigations. But in Power BI, we have a very simple and very limited number of navigations will be there, guys, without having any confusion. Okay, for the timing, don't worry. How to get a data? Nothing is there. Here, very clear, guys. Import the data from Excel, import the data from SQL server, or paste the data into a blank table. I don't know all these things. Here we have an option is there. Try a sample semantic model. Click here, guys. And just we have a simple option is there. Load the sample data. Click here. And simply it is going to connecting, and it is going to show you some sample data sets, guys. So select this financials data set and simply click on load, guys. That's it. Data is going to be loaded. So we are not importing from anywhere, guys. We are just importing one which is going to be one sample database is there. So we imported some sample data set we downloaded, guys. See there, guys, immediately the options will changes. See there, data has came. Build the visuals with your data. Select or drag the field from the data pane from here, guys, and drop it into the report canvas. See, guys, this is the border, guys. From here to here is your report canvas. You can do your visualizations only in between these two borders only. If you want, we can decrease or you can increase it, guys. See there, I can decrease it. See the location, guys. Only in this place only you can place your whatever the visuals. We cannot place it here, guys. It is your entire page, the entire page, guys. In the page, this is your canvas. So where you can draw your canvas, only this is a canvas. By default, your canvas size has been set to your page size like this. Like this, it will be there, guys. Okay. So if you want, we can further increase it or just we can decrease it as it is. That's it, guys. So this is the place where we can place your visuals. So very easy and very simple. Don't worry. I'm just showing you the data, guys. I'm taking something called as a pie chart. Don't worry. See how simple it is going to be, guys. I'm taking a simple which is going to be pie chart. I'm going to be taking here now. Simply, I'm going to take something like n, which is going to be what is going to be the month name. I'm going to be placing in the legend. And I'm going to take the, which is going to be profit. I'm going to be taking on the values. See guys, how simple the plot has been got created simply by 1, 2 drag and drops. That's it. A beautiful, colorful report has been got created. What is that? It is nothing but the profit by each and every month. So which month is having the highest profit, guys? October is having the highest profit. So the profit is going to be highest in the October, guys. After October, December is the highest profit what we have. So the October is contributing almost all 20% of your profit. That means out of the total profit, almost all 20% of your profit is coming from your month of October. And the least is coming from in the month of which is going to be, this is a month, in the month of March. In the month of the March, we are going to be getting the least, which is going to be what we can see the least profit. And the October is going to be having the highest profit. See guys, how simple the data was there. Do you want to see your data? Here we can see your data, guys. You can go to the table view. There we can see our data. This is all our data, guys. Total there are 700 rows of data was there. You can see there. There are going to be table financials. Totally there are going to be 700 rows are there. Some sales data of a company across multiple locations. So that is the data what we can see, guys. Now simple, I'm removing the month name and I'm going to place the country into the legend. So each country, how much sales it has been got generated. France, Germany, Canada, United States of America, and Mexico. Almost all of them are having the same sales. Only I think France is having the highest, which is 22.38. And after that, we have the Germany with 21.79. And after that, we have a Canada with 20.89. And after that, USA is having 17.73. And Mexico is going to be, we are having 17.21 percentage, almost all equivalent only, not that much difference. You can convert these charts very, very easily. We can convert them, guys. Whatever the chart you require, you can just convert them and we can see them, guys. Whatever the values you want, we can see the required values. Whatever the values you require, we can do, guys. There are multiple options are there, which we can work on them. This is what basically the different types of reports, whatever you want to create it. Just simple. Nothing complications are there, guys. Nothing complications are there. Just if you select it, automatically it is going to create a visual. So that's why I said that the place where we are plotting the visuals is nothing but what we call it as canvas. This is one visual, guys. This is a page, your canvas. If I try to just decrease that, guys, zoom out. Just if you try to decrease it, you can place your visuals only in this location only, guys. You cannot place wherever you want to place it. For example, if I place it here, see where the visual is coming, verify, guys. All your visuals are going to be coming only in that particular whatever the particular canvas is there. Only in that canvas only we are going to be getting. You cannot get here, guys. This is your canvas. This entire one is a page, and this is going to be nothing but your canvas. You plot any number, you plot it, guys. It has to be plotted only within this location only. We have to plot it. So that's why if you want, you can have a better view so that we can get it. Make it 100% or 120%. You can make it, guys. Just make it 100%. That's it. At least we can see the area. Just if we increase it, you don't have any confusion with that. So this is the locations where we can do. You can minimize, you can maximize whatever you want. You can place wherever you require. You can play multiple visuals and all these things. We can do that. I'm deleting all these visuals, guys. So I selected and clicked on delete. So once again, I'm showing you guys, this is going to be nothing but what we can call it as at the top, whatever we see, these are various ribbons: home ribbon, insert ribbon, modeling ribbon, view, and optimize. And finally it is help, guys. In each and every ribbon, we have a different options are there. We'll see all these different options later, guys. So what is this particular option? We have a different options are there, guys. So I can place a text box. I can place a which is going to be a left button, a left arrow. If I click on this left arrow, what we have to do? So there are some actions are there. So what actions you want to do? It is a back button. So what is the action you want to do? We have to specify, guys. We have to specify what is the action we have to do. So that is what we are going to call it as the actions. This is going to be buttons. There are so many buttons are there, shapes are there. You can place a different shapes. To add some little bit colorful, we can add some animated, or to add a good look and feel appearance to your report, we can put some kind of an which is going to be the these kind of a shapes and all these things, whatever we can put. That is what we call it as insert. Okay. And modeling, we'll see what is going to be modeling later. So these are all going to be part of the modeling. What you want to view here, these are different types of views, whatever you want. Look at this one, guys. For example, this is your filters pane. So this is your filters pane. If I deselect this, guys, so observe carefully, the filters pane is not visible to us. See there, it is not visible to us, guys. So like that, I want to get a which is going to be filters pane. So select the filters pane. You are going to get a filters pane by default. So what you want to view, that's it. That's it. There are some optimization techniques are there. So later we'll see. Currently we are not discussing about that. Later we are going to discuss about how to go for the optimizations. So these are all the different type of ribbons, guys. You can also minimize it also. We are having a button here. You can see which is going to be switch ribbons. You can just minimize this particular space. So this is a home ribbon. And if you want to expand, you can just expand it, guys. See, they're very easy. Switch ribbons. So I want to switch the ribbon, guys. So see, their options are same. But only the thing is, whenever we see this is how it is going to be look and feel appearance. And this is going to be how it is going to be have a look and feel appearance. This is your canvas. This is on the left hand side, we have a different views. On the right hand side, there are different panes are going to be there. Got it, guys? So if you want, you can see report view. So what is your report? All the visuals and all these things we can see in the report view, guys. Table view. Table view means we can see your data. You can see your data, guys. So this is your entire data, guys. We converted into a simple visual like this. I converted into a simple visual like this, guys. Country on the legend, and which is going to be profit. Otherwise, I'll say that it is going to be unit sold values. It is the number of units sold, guys. How many units we have been sold? That is going to be shown by this particular donut chart. This is called as a donut. You know what is a donut, right? How it is going to looks like. That's why nothing is there. It's a pie chart. Inside the pie chart, if you put a space between in the center, it is going to be looks like a donut. That's why we call it as a donut chart, what we are going to call it as. That's it, guys. But anyhow, I'm not starting with any. Don't worry about that. All these things we'll see it later. So just I'm explaining the location. This is going to be what we can call it as a donut chart, or this is going to be the place where you are going to place your visuals. So wherever we want to see the data, you can see the data here. This is a model view, what we can see. Model view means a semantic model. I'll tell you. So what do you mean to say semantic model? And we are going to discuss about that. But one thing you can observe carefully, whenever we are in report view, there are three panes are there. Whenever we are in there in the table view, you can see only one pane only we can see. Data pane, only one pane only we can see. Whenever we are in model view, you can see two panes, properties and data. Two panes we can see there. There are two panes. Here it is going to be one pane. Here it is going to be three panes. Visuals, filters, visualizations, and your data, guys. Don't worry, we'll see about all these things later. What is the filters pane contains? Filters pane contains all the filters which we apply to your data. If you apply any filters to your data, that is going to be applied in the visualizations. Example. Sorry, guys. Right. Just an example, guys. I'm showing some data. Don't worry. Just have a look at the data. Just now we have seen, right? It is going to be the month name. Just give me a second. Yeah. Otherwise, we'll take something like a product. How many products are there? And each and every product, what is going to be sales price? Okay. So it is going to be, what is going to be the, let us say that it is going to be, what is going to be the average sales, what is the average Do one thing, just a second. Profit will take it. Right. Observe carefully, guys. We have got this particular sales. So there are different products are there. So there are different types of products are there. We are going to be getting this kind of a products. So these products, what is going to be the profit? Some of the profit we are getting, or let us say that I want to go for average profit. So where is the average profit is who is having the highest profit? You can see, guys, these are the profit. But I want to get only for a particular country of Germany. Only in the Germany country only I want to get this. Then what I can do is we can apply the filters here, guys. So country, I will drag it and drop it here. And I'm going to be dragging the fields and I'm selecting only the country called as Canada. Only for Canada only it is going to show you guys. For example, both Canada and France, or otherwise we'll select only France. Then we can see only for which is going to be the France, how the sales was there. Or else I want to go for only for Mexico. So it is going to be only for Mexico. So filters. These are nothing but what we are going to call it as filters, guys. So which country is having what sales? We can see the data, what we can see, guys. Got the point? So if you can see in this particular continents, what are the continents you selected? So these are the continents, whatever we have been selected, guys. These are the continents, whatever we have selected. I want only for France. It is only for France only. It is going to show you the sales. So that is the purpose of filters. That is the purpose of filters. So whenever you want to apply any filters, simply drag and drop it here, select the required values, it will show the filter. So filters pane is nothing but where we can apply all the filters. And whereas the visualization, what are visualizations, guys? The visualizations are nothing but the visual components. What components you can place it in the your canvas, all that components, guys. Different types of visuals are there. Bar charts, line charts. Okay, there are different types of charts. Yesterday also I told you. I think yesterday we didn't started. So this is going to be later. We'll see one by one. Pie chart, donut chart. It is going to be funnel chart. It is going to be ribbon chart. You can see, guys, it is going to be waterfall, which is going to be, and this is going to be, it is going to be tree map. We are having, guys, it is a map. It is going to be fill map is going to be there. Like that, we have something called as an shape map. It is an Azure map is there. This is a gauge. This is a card. This is a multi-row card. This is a KPI. This is a slice. See, guys, without putting up, when you put a pointer, you can see a tooltip. It is a table. The next one is called as a matrix. Next one is a matrix. Next one is called as an R script visual. This is called as a Python script visual. This is called as a paginated report. Like that, guys, we have multiple options are going to be there. So very few number are there. You may get it out, sir. Is only these are the visuals we can plot? No, guys. Still, we have these are all standard visuals. If you want a more and more visuals are there is going to be something like same. Whenever you want to get any app in your mobile, how do you download it from a store? We also have something called as a Power BI store is there, guys. We can download it, some of them at a free of cost, some of them you have to buy. Most of them are free only, guys. You need not to buy them. So most of them are going to be free only. Only a very few we have to buy, guys. How many are there? There are approximately 300 plus visuals are there, guys. Approximately there are 300 plus visuals are there. Sir, how can I see all the visuals? The visuals we can see simply by writing. You can see here, we have an option will be there, guys. Get more visuals. Get more visuals. I think my account is not registered as of now. So unless and until I don't register, it is not possible to access them. Can you see, guys? Power BI desktop and the Power BI service works better together. So sign in to enhance your collaboration and access organizational content. You have to give an email ID. Right now, I'm not doing this. But whenever I go for this option called as get more visuals, it is going to navigate to the whatever the Power BI store. You can select your required visuals, whatever you want, and you can download. Automatically, they will appear here, guys. Automatically, they will appear here now. Later, we'll see the visuals, how to import them. That is the concept, guys. That is the concept of various visualizations that we can see it here now. So once again, a very simple technique, guys. So this is going to be what we call it as, which is going to be the, at the top, you can see what are the different various ribbons are there. Left hand side, we have a different types of views are there. A report view, a table view, and a model view. At the bottom, what type of views you want, whether it is a desktop view or a mobile view, what we can see that. This is a mobile view. So see, this is a mobile view, guys. Just drag and drop it. In a mobile, how it is going to looks like. This is going to be, the mobile view is going to be looks like this, guys. How it is going to be looks in a mobile. Whenever we open a mobile, your report in a mobile, so how it will appears in the mobile, this is what it is going to be showing you. Okay, but observe carefully what I did now. I can't create any visuals directly, guys. We can't create any visuals directly. First, we have to create the visuals in the desktop layout, and whatever the desktop layout we have been taken, those we are going to take it in the, which is going to be here. We are going to take it, guys. So there I changed. Here we have automatically changed. Just we are doing the alignment. We are not designing anything. We are just doing an alignment. See there. Select a visual on the canvas. Here, this is what is the canvas. To start your formatting, your change will only appear in the mobile layout only. So whatever the changes we do here, it is applicable only to that particular mobile view only. It is going to be changes. It is not applicable to the, if I do like this, it is applicable here only. It is not applicable here. See there. See the difference. You are not getting the labels. I removed the labels. Here I have been removed the labels. But if I make any changes here, automatically that will be changes will be reflected here now. Come here and we can see there. Your report has been changed. Okay. So don't worry. Later we are going to see about all those application, guys. So keep it in the mobile, in the desktop layout only, but not like a mobile layout. Now see, once again, I'm saying, guys, this is a report view, table view, and it is going to be model view. On the right hand side, we have three different types of panes are there. Filters pane contains all the filters you can apply to your visuals. Visualizations are nothing but the visual components which we can place it in your canvas. And the data pane contains all the data which we have imported into Power BI. So this is your data, guys, financial data set, and these are the columns, whatever the columns are there. If you want to see the data, what data is there in our tables, you can go to the table view and we can see the tables data. And for example, if you want to see your model, I'll tell you about the model. So this is your semantic model, what we call it as. So in some tools, we call it as logical model or a logical view. Here we are going to call it as a semantic model. It's a semantic model, guys. I'll tell you why do you require the model, semantic models. I'll tell you the scenario. So that is the thing which we can work with this kind of an applications, what we can do, guys. Sorry, guys, right? That's it, guys. This is going to be how the view is going to be looks like, and these are your environment. That's it, guys. That's it. We are going to do that. But anyhow, we are having a one more component is there. That is what we call it as a Power Query editor, guys. It is what we call it as a Power Query editor. What is the Power Query editor? The name itself is saying that you can edit your data. As you know that whenever we got the data, guys, all the data that is not may not be readily available, guys. So sometimes whenever we require some kind of a report, maybe the report may not be, the data is not sufficient, or my data is not may not be available readily, guys. Then what you have to do, we have to do some kind of an we have to do some kind of a, what we can say is, which is going to be what we can say is we have to do some kind of an, which is going to be um, some kind of a transformations we have to do, guys. So what is these transformations and how to do that particular transformations? So what are these transformations and how we have to do these particular transformations? So we do it by using something what we are going to call it as a Power Query editor. We have to do that. How to open that Power Query editor, guys? How to open the Power Query editor? I'll tell you later, but just for the timing, I'm going to show you how to open the Power Query editor, guys. Simple, very easy and very simple. Here we can see one option called as, which is going to be nothing but transform data option is there, guys. Click on that. Click on that, guys. You can see very clearly there is a one more editor has been opened or another window has been opened. See, guys, in Power Query, in a Power BI desktop, you can only design the reports. Here we can transform your data, guys. This is Power Query editor. This is Power BI desktop. Here we can do all the changes, whatever the changes you require. You can do all the required changes, whatever you want to do, guys. Any changes you want to do that. I can do a lot of changes, anything. For example, I want to convert all this data into uppercase. So how I'm going to convert this into uppercase? Very easy and very simple, guys. I'm going to convert this column data into uppercase. All the data converted into uppercase, only for that column only. It is only for that column only, it is going to be changes, guys. It does not changes for everyone. So like that, we can do some kind of an application we can do as part of this one. So like this, we can just do and we can work with this kind of an applications we can do, guys. Okay. So that's it, guys. That is going to be how basically we can work with transformations. And if you save these changes here now, immediately the changes are going to be reflected there also, guys. Here immediately we can see the changes in the Power BI desktop. Why? Because whatever the changes we done here, automatically the changes will be done here also, guys. Okay. So what is the data here now? The country column has been converted into capital case. But how I converted, guys? Not here. Here we can't do that. We have to go there. There we have to transform the data, not here. Okay. So that is the basic changes we have to do. So get the data, and after that what we have to do is, guys, we have to just perform something called as, which is going to be a transformation of the data. Once if you do the transformation of the data, then the data is ready for your visualization, and we can take the visualizations, guys. Okay. That is the basic idea of how we can work with this kind of a techniques what we are going to be using, guys. Okay. So don't worry, we'll see all of these application in our coming classes. We are going to be working with them, just only giving some introduction. Once again, when you go for the actual classes, then we are going to discuss about those application once again, guys. Okay. So that's it, guys. That is going to be the one thing just I want to discuss for the today's class. And this is going to be about the basic idea of how we are going to be gets working, the basic data visualization concepts we are going to work with them. I'm not saving this, guys. I'm just closing this. Okay. You also can download them, guys. Just install the software. So in the next class, we are going to start with the basic options like how to import the data, how to import the data sets. So I'm going to discuss about different type of storages. So tomorrow we are going to start with how to import that particular data sets. We'll discuss it, guys. Okay. And almost all the demos are already completed, guys. Almost all. Maybe within 1 or 2 days, you will going to that link will change us, guys. The link will be changes. Currently we are completed the demo classes. Already third. It is today is going to be the fourth class. So demos are already completed, guys. So almost all you are going to start from the main regular classes from tomorrow. So maximum not tomorrow, but if you want to go ahead with the course, you please complete your registration process by paying the required amount of 5,000 is a course fees, guys. And once you register, you will be getting access to the drive. In the drive, you will be getting the daily recorded videos, materials, and data sets, guys. You'll also get the data sets. I'll use as a different data sets, guys. Okay. So if you want to get the access to the drive, so only the registered people will get the access to the drive, guys. So please complete off your registration so that you can start your learning. Got it, guys? So that's it for the today's class, guys. So just for today, I'll stop it here. We'll continue tomorrow. So from tomorrow onwards, we'll start with our the main course curriculum. I'll start it in the tomorrow's class, guys. So tomorrow I have the class as usually. So normally tomorrow is a half. Generally, it's the 26th of January, Republic Day. So generally we don't have a holiday tomorrow. So we have the class as usually, guys. Okay. So that's it for the today's class. Anybody, guys? Any questions if you have? Anyone? Any questions? Right, guys. Just for today, we'll stop it here, guys, and we'll continue in the tomorrow's class, guys. So thank you for today. We'll meet up in the tomorrow's class. Thanks all of you, guys.